Nigerian Ports Authority, Rivers Port, which is situated in the Gulf of Guinea, was built and commissioned in August 1913 by Sir Frederick Lord Lugard, the then Governor General of Nigeria. It was named after Louis Vernon Harcourt, who was the Secretary of State for the colonies. It was the discovery of coal in a commercial quantity that led to the construction of rail line from Enugu to Port Harcourt for the evacuation and exportation of coal and other cash crops from southeast and northeast Nigeria. The port started with 4 berths and later in 1962 to 1968, the first National Development Plan brought about subsequent expansion. From 1970 to 1978, post-Nigeria Civil War National Economic Development Blueprint increased the berth to 8. The port is made up of hard quays with total length of 1,290 meters, which can accommodate vessels within the range of 110 to 195 meters in length overall, LOA, and draft of 8.5 meters and a distance of 52 nautical miles from fairway buoy to wharf areas. The composite nature of Rivers ports encouraged it to administer about 40 jetties within close proximity and far location. Some of the jetties are Okrika, Master Energy, Nest Oil, Akabase, Bitumen Shore Link, Stock Gap, and crude oil terminals at Brass, Okoro, and Bonga, etc. In 2006, the port terminals were concessioned to Messrs Port and Terminal Operators Nigeria Limited, PTOL Terminal, comprising of berth 1 to 4, and BUA Port and Terminal Limited, own Terminal B, which has berth 5 to 8. The port handles containers, petroleum products, bulk and general cargoes. It has infrastructures such as good access road,
entrance gate, administrative block, medical clinic, fast sports facilities,
warehouse, stocking areas, container handling equipment, loading and offloading cranes, way bridges, 3 apron sheds, police station, fire service station, private tank farm, petroleum product, private silos, wheat and corn, waste reception facilities, port is currently operating on security level 1.